Do you see what I see? Stacked rocks. Yes. Thank you, other hikers. Well, the shortcut ended up being a long cut. Not a big surprise, I suppose. But up here then should be some ruins. Wells. If they do, then I'm really on the correct path. More stacked rocks. Good. Come on, come on. I see blue sky. That's also a good sign. Yeah! Okay. Well, so much for a shortcut. But that's pretty cool. Okay, well, on I go. Happens that I actually walked right over the trail. After being some time crawling literally through the woods with shorts, which is nice, I've come where the ruins are.